Hello and welcome everyone. We are at Mahatech 2023 and we are at the stall of Fineweld Solutions, and we are having with us Mr. Thamankar and Mr. Sahasrabuddhe, who are the directors for this company and can give us more insights about what they are demonstrating at this show. So please give us insight about this welding robot.
Fineweld Systems, we are representing OTC Daihen of Japan. We are their authorized distributor in Pune. We have displayed their basic robots over here at the moment, and the robo model is FDB6 at the moment, what we are shown over here, and the power source is suitable for that, which is capable of doing all sorts of metal welding and suitable all accessories for that.
Mr. Thamankar, please give us insight about which industries you are currently catering to.
Basically, it's OTC Daihen is a world leader in welding robot technology and welding machine technology. It is around 102-year-old company. So basically, we are here in India for I think almost now 15 years now. So we are covering almost automotive industry, then non-automotive, construction, then furniture. So these are all, and even aerospace and defense sector also we are supplying a lot of welding robots. So we are into critical welding applications also, thick plate and thin plate and various kind of MIG mag, TIG welding equipments and machines.
Okay, great sir.
That is our background. And the unique feature of USP of our company is a unique source, that is single source. We are making everything in-house in Japan. So that is a specialty of us.
Okay. So sir, Fineweld itself completing 40 years. So how has been the journey so far?
So we had a very excellent journey as far as, because they are sitting in Pune. So Pune is a very hotbed for welding industry and welding technology.
True.
So we are really enjoying this collaboration with the Fineweld for so long years. So they have a lot of installations here. Particularly the vendors of Tata, Mahindra and JCB, a lot of customers they have developed for us. So and these type of exhibitions, I think they are participating for I think more than 5 years. So it is also giving us a good opportunity to spread around this area.
Okay. So you also give your insights about how has been the journey of 40 years, how you developed it.
Like OTC is one of the leading company worldwide. There is no doubt about that. Whatever product that they are having, it's a new of its kind. There is nobody else nearby to this technology what they are manufacturing or selling in the Indian market. Their basic difference between other companies and their company is they are the pioneer in welding, and robo is invented and is first time supplied by them in the world. They are the pioneer in this industry as far as welding robotic is concerned and nanotechnology is concerned. Nanotechnology is the technology which is the latest in welding technology. Nobody else has got this at the moment. Only OTC has got that technology. It's very, very advanced technology compared to existing other manufacturers or competitors.
So, talking about Mahatech, sir, how these kind of exhibitions help you? How has been the response for so far?
Yeah, response is okay. Last year we had a good response. So far this year now, last 2 days, it's quite satisfactory, but not up to our expectation. But definitely this type of exhibition will help us for the branding actually, rather than business.
Visibility
will be our visibility and our branding will be definitely improved as an exhibition. So our focus is also like that only. Previously, maybe 10 years back, 15 years back, we could have expected a lot of business also across the exhibition, but now it's basically branding. So anyway, we are having good experience of such exhibitions. So we are continue to be there in the exhibition future also.
Great. I mean, we congratulate you on your successful participation at Mahatech. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.